It's not too often that I'm choosing to fish from a kayak instead of my boat, but for certain situations, it's a necessity. In this case, it was a new moon with crazy low tides, and I knew the fish were going to be hungry in spots that I couldn't get the boat into. So my buddy Cameron and I launched the kayaks early in the morning with live shrimp, pinfish, and lures to see what we could catch.
No. Let's just dump them in there.
What?
Dump them in my live well.
Is that what that is actually for?
Yeah. I don't have the plug in right now, so it's just gonna start draining, but it looks like that pin's just gonna plug it himself. Thanks, dude. Okay. Hey, wait up! I waited for you. And we're off. Let's see if I can get a snook right quick. Right there. I think this is a 3-0 circle hook. Cast it over here by this island, low tide. What else is there? Trout? I think I got a little trout here. No, a little red. I've already caught fish. There's a little live shrimp over there by that island. He ain't big. I hope that's the smallest redfish I catch today. I'll take it. Cute little guy. Yeah. See you, dude. That could be a good spot, the oysters over there, once the tide comes up. I haven't tried that in a while. I'm on a pin. Decent red. Okay. I was like looking at these oysters, I'm like, there's mullet. Maybe there's enough water, and I toss a pin up there, I just felt toom. I mean, he's not huge, he's like low 20s. Yeah. Not a bad start to the morning. I haven't even gotten to the spot I wanted to fish yet. On the little pin right there. Come here. I will take that. He's probably like 20. Get a quick release on this guy, get another pin in here. I'm blowing right into the spot, so I'm gonna get a release on him. See you, dude. There's a red. A red. Oh, red. Literally right in front of the kayak. I'm gonna toss a cut bait here and then tie on like a moonwalker or something.
Oh, do you see that?
I'm already on.
Cut bait?
Yep. Got him. I did have loose drag. Dude, that was instant on the cut bait. Is that a trout? Dude, I think it's a tank trout. Yeah. Get over here. What are you? No, it's a red. It's a red. Yep. Thank you. Now I'm soaked. There we go. Nice little redfish. He's got like the little spots on his back too.
Nice.
That's cool. Get a release on him. See you, dude. I guess I'm throwing cut bait here. Oh, I gotta get my pup out there. Going with the good old Bull Bay pup here. It's a little 5-foot rod. The thing is so cool. It's 5 foot, exactly, but it's a medium heavy, so it's a little beast. I can still cast this thing. So we'll get a cut bait out there. See if there's any more reds that want to play. There we go, tied on a little moonwalker. Start working a topwater, see if I can get a red to hit a topwater. Or there could be some big trout too. Yeah, dude, get a cut bait out here. We'll soak some, throw some lures for like 10 minutes and then possibly move out there. Oh my God, I thought you were on already. Oh, I got hit, moonwalker. Hit it again, come on. Okay, there's a red right next to you. Do you see those hits?
Yeah.
That was a pretty decent one. You still playing with that?
Oh, your rod's on. You're on.
Yeah, I am. Get him, pup! Get him, pup! Get him, pup!
Oh, I'm on. Double up.
Double up? Dude, we found some reds over here. Oh, there you go. Oh, dude, this is a good one. On the pup.
I can't tell how big.
Look at this little rod!
Really put any pressure. Oh, yeah. He's decent. He's better than the ones I did.
Dude, this is like a upper slot, if not over.
Nah.
Mine? What do you mean, nah?
Over a slot?
I gotta reel my moon.
Now our fish are tangled up.
There,
To the right of you. How big is mine? I haven't seen it.
low 20s.
Huh?
Low 20s.
Nice.
Oh, you're on the tip of my kayak. Hold on. Hold on.
Oh,
This is mayhem. I'll go that way, that way. Yep. To the right of it.
yeah, that's what I've been doing. It's stuck.
There you go.
It's still on. Nice, yours is still on too.
Yep. Dude, mine's a good one. Get him, pup. Get him, pup. Come on over here. This is so much fun. Now he's deciding to fight. This is so much fun on this little rod.
You're making me want one.
We came out here to try and hit a specific spot, and we haven't even gotten to it yet, and we're already catching a bunch of reds. Should we get a double up pick?
Yeah. It's actually season.
Come on over here. Show yourself off to Cameron. See, he's an upper slot. That,
He's bigger than I thought.
yeah. Dude, this is so much fun. I'm glad they're biting.
Yeah, I figured with this new moon, it should be pretty fine.
New moon, super low tide. They can't be up in the mangroves yet.
Yeah, it's a good one. Mine's decent.
Oh yeah, he might be. He's like 26, I'm assuming. That's like everyone's dream tournament fish right there. Look at that, nice little double up.
Oh, yeah.
Mine's probably got, you know, solid 6 inches on yours. All right, let's get the release. Okay, I was gonna release them next to each other.
Well, I was trying to, and then he was ready to go.
See you, dude. All right, dude, let's get more baits. I'm glad I saw a couple redfish like spook off, because I wouldn't have stopped here.
Yeah, I've never seen as many fish. On a high tide, we've casted these mangroves.
I still got like probably 2 dozen. Oh, that's a fish. Got him. Got him. It's a little guy. This might actually be a trout, or it might be a red. He's not coming up and shaking his head. Just a little red. Little guy. Little rat on the pup, about half the size of the one I caught before. There we go. Quick release on him. See you, dude. Here we go. Second spot of the day. Gonna try and get cut bait up by the mangroves as close as I can, because the tide's already pretty high. See if there's any redfish in the mangroves, and then toss some artificial out here on the flat, see if there's some big trout that want to play. gonna try topwater at first, but it's about 10:15 now in the morning. So maybe a topwater isn't the best move, but we're gonna try it. Oh my God, huge trout. No, he popped off. Dude, that was huge. Like 25, 26. He was waking on the topwater and they smoked it. How'd he pop off? Dude, he engulfed the whole thing. I don't know how he popped off. Got a red. Wasn't recording. I was rigging up the other rod. The cut bait right by the mangroves got eaten. Good sized redfish. On the little pup. Love this rod. It's so much fun. Come on over here. Haven't really gotten a good look at him yet. Oh yeah, he ain't bad. He ain't bad at all. Like 3, 2.5, 3 foot. Oh God. Hold on, I'm having troubles. It's like 2 or 3 foot. Jeez, dude. There we go. Yeah, he's like 26 again. He was trying to wrap me up in my anchor so bad there. Yeah, that's a good one right there. Sorry I wasn't recording for the eat, but I'll take that. Come over here, dude. See? He's a fat one. There we go, hook out. Beautiful redfish right there. That is freaking picture perfect. Such a healthy red. Cut bait on the mangroves, high tide. Let's get a release on this guy. See you, dude. Got an oyster bar right in front of me here. Completely submerged. And I've gotten a lot of trout around here the past couple weeks, so I'm hoping they're still here. Some big ones too. I want to get one on artificial. Got one. Oh, little guy. Little trout. That would have been Cameron's PB right here. There we go. Cute little guy. See you, dude. My camera on my head died, but Cameron finally hooked up on a good trout right here. That was on the Wedding Crasher? Yeah. Use the link in the description if you guys want to try it out. That's a good one. Get a measurement on him.
22.
22?
Yeah.
That's a solid one. Not quite your PB, but
I think they're better off if you cut it instead of...
I got one. I got one big trout. He's still over there messing with his trout. I tossed a Miradine over there. Now I got myself a good one. I had a feeling they were gonna be over here by this dock. Come on. Oh yeah, this one's good too. Whoa! He's going crazy. Come on over here. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Just found all these mullet over here by a little oyster bar. And he is jumping like crazy. There we go. Me. Dude, he is acrobatic. He's like a bass. There we go. He freaking engulfed that mirror lure. Dude, they are wanting all the hooks today. Got the mirrodine out of his throat. Let's get a release on him. There we go. See you, dude. I am soaked now. All right. Back to back cast, pretty much. Yeah.
Like, take a picture with the note card that says CY.
Oh. What I got? Feels like it. Oh yeah, another big trout. All right, I just had to make sure. I didn't know if I was recording or not, and I was. But I got another big trout out there on the flat. I just went to go like kind of jerk it, and it just didn't move. I'm like, oh. Oh yeah, another good one. Yep. I've got my 2 big ones on the mirror lure. I was just so tired of pufferfish taking and ripping the soft plastic, so I put on a little hard bait, a little mirror lure, and 2 big trout on it so far. So one thing about a hard bait with a bunch of treble hooks, I'm so scared to grab it. There we go. Yeah, true. He might be smaller. He might be like 19. Still a solid trout though. There we go. That was an easy get the hook out. Beautiful trout right there. Let me get the underwater release on him. See you, dude. Get it back over there. It was just kind of like out on the flat. Do you have a cut bait out or anything? Oh, another one. We are on the trout right now. Camera might have missed a red just there. Something was taking drag on his wedding crasher, but the mirror lure is producing for me over here. Oh, out here taking drag. Yeah, once we moved over here, the smallest trout we've gone so far is like 19 inches. This guy's right in that range again. He's jumping like crazy. You can tell he like tried to hit the head of the lure. He's only got the like front hooks like that. There we go. That's another solid trout right there. Probably close to 20 inches again. Get the release on him. Oh, see you, dude. Dude, they're soaking me. This guy hasn't come up at all.
That's what my big one did. I felt the head shakes underwater.
Yeah. I'm feeling a lot of head shakes. Like it's a trout for sure. Another one about 20. You've gotten the biggest one so far. Ooh.
It wasn't me, it was the wedding crasher.
Yeah, that's so true. It's definitely not you.
Nothing to do with me.
Oh, he's like, he got the back hook, but then the front one came up and kind of got him like on the gill, so I'm kind of fighting him sideways. I'm like, why is he taking drag on me like this? Yeah, honestly, probably the smallest trout today, but he fought the hardest. There you go. If you want a harder fighting fish, just make sure you hook them on their side. That takes more skill. I'm just gonna see if I can get the hooks out of them without even really touching them. One last hook right there. See you, dude. I just keep doing like a far cast out there, and it's like every time. Got one. All right, you see where he is? That's like at least 3 casts in a row for me. Come on over here. It's another one. This is how it was the other day. I was just like, dude, there's just big trout everywhere. Come on, you done? They do seem to be getting a little smaller. He's probably like 17 or 18. Can you not?
I guess it's like they say, usually the bigger trout are kind of up shallower.
Yeah.
So maybe that's why I got the biggest one like close to the dock. Oh!
What?
I don't know what that is. It must be a bomb.
Jack? Jack.
Jack, yeah.
It could be a jack.
Alright, well,
Dude, that's crazy.
I'm gonna lift up my anchor and just go chase these fish.
Get the release on this guy.
Because it hasn't stopped running.
See you, dude. Did you snag a stingray?
I don't know. I'm gonna take up my anchor though.
Yeah. Dude, watch it just be like a bull red. Don't lose it. There we go. There we go. Is this a trout or is this a red? Dude, there's so many trout over here. Cameron's over there battling something. I got another big trout on. Little drag coming out. Oh, good amount of drag. How big are you? Yeah, that's a good one again. Oh yeah, that's a big one. That might be my biggest so far. Is it heading back this way? Big trout right here. Looks like he's got some sort of rip in his jaw, but it looks old, like it's already been like healed. That's probably my biggest trout of the day so far. Dude, that's a good one. Probably like 22. Get a release on him. See you, dude.